Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your iPhone runs iOS 12 or later before starting the setup. Next, make sure you have a parent Google account signed in and ready to use. If your child is under 13, you must create a supervised child account that you manage. Have your child device available for linking and any passwords ready for sign-in. Open the App Store to download Google Family Link for parents before proceeding to create or link accounts. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search Google Family Link to download. Tap Get and install the Family Link app for parents when prompted to begin setup. Launch the app and sign in using your parent Google account credentials to continue. Choose Create a Child Account and follow on-screen prompts to enter the child name and birth date accurately. Create a child email address, set a secure password, and agree to the supervision terms to complete account creation. Next, on the child device, install Family Link for children and teens and sign into Link. Follow the pairing code, prompts in the parent app to connect devices securely and confirm supervision. In the parent app, set daily screen time limits, for example 2 hours, and configure a device bedtime schedule for nights. Turn on app approvals to require your permission before downloads and enable location tracking to see the child device location. You can adjust settings or remove supervision later from the parent app if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.